Dr. Trevor here to show you another great exercise to work on the muscles on the bottom of your foot. These little small muscles, just like we have in our hand, are right down there on the foot. So what you're going to try to do is crunch your toes in without moving your knee at all. Just squeezing your toes in, hold them for a few seconds, and back out. You can also place some objects on the floor, like a towel, and try to squeeze it. Pick up marbles. There's a lot of different variations of this. This is a great exercise to really work on the strength of muscles in your feet. This can also be effective in helping desensitize the foot when you have things like plantar fasciitis. Try this one at home and see if you pick up anything with those toes.